Hello everybody, and welcome to Chef on a Boat, where I'll show you how to create large flavors in small spaces. Today I want to show you how to make candy citrus peel, either with lemons, oranges, or even grapefruits. It can be used as a garnish for desserts, or even just as a wonderful candy, either dusted with sugar, or even dipped in chocolate. So on that note, let's go downstairs and get started. To peel the orange smoothly, I cut the end off and then I cut small slices through the skin. To blanch the peels, put them in cold water and bring to a boil. Then drain and repeat 2 more times. I cook the orange peels on simmer for about 40 minutes. After that, you can remove the peels and spread them out on a cooling rack. Once the peels have dried out overnight, you can toss them with sugar or coat them in chocolate. In this case, I'm using the candied lemon peels as a garnish for desserts. So I use a peeler, scrape off any pith, and then slice it very thin. Because the lemon peels are so much thinner, you really don't have to cook as long, just about 10 minutes until they're translucent. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe.